Oh, what do we have here? So this woman was 45 minutes late for her flight, right? They closed the doors at the airport. That didn't stop her. She said, oh, you guys not gonna let me in? I'm gonna go in from the outside. So once she goes in from the outside, she gets on the plane and she sits in her seat. So the stewardess let the operations manager know what was going on and the pilots refused to take off. So when that fails, she decides she's gonna ruin everybody else's day on the plane. But the cops have a trick up their sleeve that she has no prevalence to. Thank you guys for tuning in. Without further ado, let's get it.
On July 10th, 2022, the Spirit terminal at Miami International Airport had just boarded all the passengers for a flight headed to Detroit,
Gotta love Spirit. Spirit always has the best customers.
Michigan. As all the passengers were seated, Spirit flight employees noticed a woman attempting to board the plane 45 minutes after the flight was ready for takeoff. When she was denied access, she took it upon herself to sneak onto the plane from outside.
How the fuck she do that?
Past the flight attendants and jumping over passengers to get to her seat.
The
flight attendant immediately called her supervisor as the suspect stated that she would assault someone if they did not fly the plane.
Oh, baby, you going to jail.
Officers were alerted as she threatened to force the captain to fly the plane.
I'm sorry. I just walk in, like you guys. I walk in with you guys. For what I understood, I just rushed in. The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Philippe, is Stephanie inside? They stepped out already?
I was doing G14.
She's inside. She's inside?
Yes, inside the plane.
Let me just go in, because there was one that was refusing getting out. Supervisor go and let him know.
But we have to listen because it's just part of the work.
Yeah.
And if not, we have to detain everybody?
Everybody.
Yes.
First we start with the person in front of us. First we start with the person in front.
What's he?
This gotta suck when you just trying to make it to your next destination or wherever you gotta go, and one idiot is just holding up everything because they don't know how to get off the plane and reschedule.
Huh?
Oh, thank you.
She's gonna go in front. Who's the person? She's gonna
Way in the back on the left.
I'm gonna be like, give me your number. You can thank me later. Oh, I love seeing the inside of a plane because I know I'm finna go somewhere beautiful.
I'm not
trespassing. I have a
Oh, yes, you are, honey.
Yeah, we're going to ask you to voluntarily walk out of the plane. If now, we're going to ask everybody. We're going to ask. I understand, but you were not bored. When we closed the door, you went through the door. When there was no agent at the moment, ma'am. So, let's talk to you outside. Let's come outside right now. Yeah. If you don't get out right now, okay, hold on. Let me get everybody out. Right.
Okay, we'll get everybody out.
Everybody like, girl, you tripping. See, I'm glad I wasn't on that flight because I would have been like, everybody, let's jump her. No, I'm glad I don't say that. But no, for real though, like, come on now. Like, you're holding us up, baby. Get off. You're not wanted on here. They're not going to fly the plane with you on here. And hopefully you make the no-fly list forever.
I board like everybody else, and I pay for my ticket like everybody.
A little baby say, flying with Spirit, you're going to become one if you don't fly this motherfucking plane.
Let's go to the jet bridge so we can talk.
What do you mean? No,
come over here.
Talk about
all right.
Going home like everybody else.
Let's wait outside.
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
Yes, cool. Okay.
That is not the attitude to have.
Ma'am, we need to talk to you. Let's go outside.
No, I don't have to talk to y'all.
Okay. You're going to make it worse.
Y'all can send me a paper in the mail.
Okay.
Y'all can literally send me something in the mail. Whatever. I pay for it. I pay for a ticket like everybody else.
Let's go. Everybody has to do clean.
After me. It's people that got on the plane after me.
It's going to be clean.
There's people that got on after me.
Stay here with her.
Everybody else.
arrest you for trespassing.
Yeah.
So can you
I mean, and guess what? I'm gonna beat the case because I'm not trespassing.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we're going to have to deplane everybody.
I am glad that I'm not on this flight because I probably would have started cursing this lady off and going out. Because how dare you fuck my flight? I got here on time. Actually, I got here 2-3 hours before the flight was even supposed to get started, right? Had me a cocktail or two, had me some good food, watched the planes take off, waiting for my plane to take off. And you mean to tell me I got to get off this motherfucker because you don't want to act right? I would have been like, y'all know what? I got it.
My name is. You should know if I was trespassing.
And wait in the boarding area.
I am that lady. Y'all heard her? She's talking about some get off. I would have been the same way.
Ask the lady on the flight.
May I say something to you?
There's nothing to say.
Will you listen to what I have to say, man? Will you listen what I have to say?
stand over here?
Make sure you get your belongings and make sure you have your boarding pass in your hands while we're in everybody. From here, we will do this as soon as possible. All right?
Let's go.
I apologize for the delay and I apologize for the...
I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Well, y'all come from that fast.
What's that?
Y'all come from that fast.
We're around. There's a lot of people here. You're after the board.
Get your ass off the plane.
That's right. Tell her ass. Because, baby, you fucking up my day now.
Ma'am, don't instigate her, please. Guys, don't instigate her because then we got to deal with her.
She let her intrusive thoughts come out.
But I'm refusing you now.
Now after the fact, though. But that's after the fact. You can't do that after the fact. So, no. Everybody going, we all going home late. Oh, well. No, I can't. Because they should have just took off.
Let's go. Let's do it fast. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's move.
My boarding pass is the same flight as everybody else. What do you mean?
Is it really, or were you scamming?
The fuck? That's dumb as f. They just want to have an attitude because they're miserable. They're miserable with their life. There's nothing for you to say. What is there for you to say?
Okay.
Like I said, y'all want to make my life hard, make everybody else's life hard.
No, not at all.
I want to go home. I don't even live here. That's weird as f. Y'all weird. But y'all mad because y'all really can't do anything.
Mental illness is real,
Everybody
guys.
get off and everybody get back on. That's it.
You doing all of this just to get your ass kicked off the plane and everybody else just gonna reboard and go on about their day.
You gotta wait till everybody get off.
Goofy ass.
New whole plane. It's cool. I already sent my dad the information. Yeah, everybody getting off. Y'all too.
Them people behind her is not getting off.
You can go.
Let's go. You go in front of me.
And she gonna go behind me. And she's
yours too?
going behind me. No, that's mine.
All right.
Clearly.
All right, let's go.
You're not going behind me though.
Ma'am, let's go.
You can
Childish. Y'all heard that? World star.
Go
You're
ahead.
not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am,
I
let's
don't
go.
trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I gave you this.
My Instagram is. So send it to me. So I can send it to my dad.
Look, she's smart as hell. She like, you know what, man, let me go ahead and act like I'm getting off this plane so I can get back on so this lady can get arrested.
That's your only bag. Because they're definitely not walking behind me. Yeah, make sure y'all Instagram, Skype.
Man, get your ugly ass out the plane. She thought she was doing something. Her stupid ass finna get arrested. Miami-Dade police don't fuck around either.
I am giving you a direct order to walk over there. Okay?
Don't make it worse.
He is big as shit.
They're making it worse for them. That's illegal. I didn't do shit. I have a ticket like everybody else.
Everybody here is out.
I have a ticket like everybody else. What do you mean? Fuck. It ain't all grounded.
Yes!
Can somebody report this? Can somebody report this? What are you doing?
Good job. I would have started clapping. I would have told everybody, hey, everybody, let's start clapping for her.
Y'all not necessary. What the hell? I have a ticket for this flight, and y'all trying to take me off the flight.
It's no longer valid.
Look, he's smiling like a motherfucker. Boy, I would have been smiling too.
But everybody else is not.
I'm not gonna. We're gonna have to.
Yeah, hold on. Let's
How?
relax. We're gonna take your property.
I'm relaxed.
We're
You're
gonna take
grabbing
the
me.
property. You're not grabbing your
I'm
property.
relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because
I strongly dislike people like this.
why is he grabbing me and I'm relaxed? Like I said, he grabbing me. It's illegal as fuck though. It's cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as fuck. I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket. No,
I'll get you. What do you need? She goes to jail.
Man, that officer was thick as hell, boy, thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Once she refused to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
The walk of shame.
269-74-235. Text my dad and tell him. See, look at him. That drag, now they want to drag. 269-274.
No, over here. Door 19. You can exit out. Just exit out. Exit out.
With a regular, what the fuck? Where did I sit? The fuck?
I hope she never get to fly at this airport again. 'Cause I damn sure don't want to bump into her. You gotta stay off the drugs, and mental health. Mental health is real, guys. You gotta stay off the drugs.
There's not even shit in my pocket. I'm Miami police. Y'all get sued. Still, y'all not gonna.
Biatch!
But you should have. Why y'all didn't have the body cameras on? Why y'all didn't have body cameras on? Then y'all gonna suffocate me in a car.
You wanna go to the station?
Go to the station. I'll go with her.
Not they are carpooling to the station. Take her stupid ass to jail. That's what she get.
5372.
Ain't nobody say nothing.
All that for what? To go to jail? Was it worth it?
We don't have to grab the fucking stuff.
Yes, I will grab this stuff. Because you're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Go with cuffs on.
You're under arrest.
The woman was arrested and faced a slew of charges, including disorderly conduct and destruction of aircraft. She was eventually sentenced to probation. She stated to the judge that she was wrong, but that the employees should have been nicer to her.
Girl, fuck you. Nobody be nice to your dumb ass because you want to do stupid Like, come on, man. You sat up there and held up everybody's flight because you was late to yours. That's why I always do the 3-hour rule. I always get to my 3, 2, 1. That's why I always do the 3-hour rule. I always get to the airport 3 hours before my plane leave. So that way, when it's time to load up, I'm good to go. I'm chilling. Might have me a little drink. Cause hey, them drinks at the airport be strong as hell. They be stronger than when you go on an actual vacation. You get what I'm saying? But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.